What's up, guys? Tom from Espo's. Before I forget, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're going to try to put up about one video a month. I know it's been a while, but I'm going to try to fix that. So today we are doing a set of wheels for a Mercedes that I have there on the lift. And I'm going to show you guys what else is going on there, what we have waiting to get done. Quite a bit of work. But I'm going to put together a couple of clips, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright guys, first wheel's loaded into the cabinet and ready to get blasted. All finished up, ready to go on to the next one now. Alright guys, this E-Class is all finished up. We do have some more work to finish though. I'm going to grab a couple more clips and throw that in as well so you could see what else gets done. Nick, tell them what we're doing here. What are we doing?
We're working on Christmas Eve, like everybody else. Must be nice to have it.
Alright guys, we're going to wrap it up. Just took these purple parts out of the oven. I'm going to wait for them to cool down and grab some photos along with the yellow parts that we just finished up prior. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed the video.